Yes, good girl. Come on, children. Close your eyes.
Please, kissy and
Close your eyes. You got to listen to me and sing. Say after me, okay?
Straight up and நீயே சொல்லு.
Kidsy anthem.
Kitty anthem.
Sound of it.
You are within me.
You are within me.
Sound of it.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
You are the wind.
You are the wind.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my life.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge.
With all my might.
With all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall give you.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Keep your eyes closed, everyone. Keep your eyes closed. Today I've got some picture to show you. Okay, please open your eyes. A big good morning to all of you children. Welcome you all to our class. Good morning, dear. Okay, just give me. Yes, good morning, Karthikeyan. Who else has joined? That's it, right? Okay. So I'm showing this big star. You know why? Many of you have started sending me homeworks on a daily basis. Very, very good, children. Can you all give a big round of clap? Very nice. So you are listening to me and writing your homeworks daily. And those who have not started, this star is for you up front so that you also start writing and send your homeworks to me. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, yes, Vivan, I remembered now. Yes, can you say skip counting of 10, Vivan?
Skip counting, sorry.
10. No, 10. I want all of you to say with Vivan.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, Vivan, close your eyes. I'm going to show you something. Close your eyes. I have been wanted to show this for the last 2 days, but I'm forgetting. Yes, Vivan, open your eyes. Do you see what is this?
It's a big football.
Is it a football? Isn't it football? Closely, look closely. It's not a ball.
A ball.
It's a balloon.
Balloon.
Yeah, it has skip counting of 10. You said it right? I have written it here. Okay, come on. Vivan, can you read one more time, Vivan?
Yeah.
Give me a minute. Sorry, Vivan, give me a minute. I want all of you to say along with Vivan. Okay, stay on mute except Vivan. Others are going to stay on mute and open your mouth and say along. Okay, you have to look at the balloon and say. Ready? Come on, Vivan.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Thank you, Vivan. A big round of clap for Vivan and Neha. You know why? Neha very well, she listened to me and she said the rhyme after me without any confusion and disturbance. Very good, Neha. And Vivan, very good, Vivan, for counting and helping me skip counting of 10. Good. Very good. Okay, shall we all give a rocket clap for all of you today? For all of you, rocket clap. Come on, sit straight. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Come on, rocket clap. Good, children. Very good. Okay. So, ready for the warm up? Yes. Okay. Let me ask. Good morning, Naitik.
Yeah, ma'am.
Why were you on leave yesterday, Naitik? Went outside?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Good morning, Siddharth.
Good morning, Salma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good. Join for the warm up today. Okay, we'll start. Come on, everybody, please stand up. I'm going to play the song. Good morning, Dikshan. Yes, Ailesh, you're excused. Tell me.
I want a red screen warm up.
You want to?
Red screen warm up, which you showed yesterday, ma'am. The warm up music.
Yeah, I'm going to show it with the video. That's what you're asking me?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, give me a minute.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, dear.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp,
Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, children.
Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump,
Jump.
jump, jump,
Jump, jump, jump.
jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your.
Okay. Okay, children. Come back to your place. Very good. So has anybody joined after that? Good morning, Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prajesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vishank. Good morning,
Good
Aiden.
morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Aiden, I'm able to hear your voice very well these days. Loud and clear. Very good.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Good morning.
Let's start. Good morning, Vishank. Okay, Aiden, haven't you got your uniform?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
got it
ma'am.
or you didn't? You
Yes.
got it, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so on Monday and Wednesday, try wearing your uniform. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yellow color ones. Okay? For others too. Those who have got it, please try to wear your uniform on Mondays and Wednesdays. Okay, ready? We're going to start with attendance now. Aiden.
Here I am. Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am.
Good. Good.
Here I am, how are you?
Okay, Devarakshita. Not it. Okay. Devkvish. Good. Dhanvin Sai.
Yo.
Okay. Dikshan.
Yo.
Good. Parnas. No. Hashini.
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Okay. Iron. Not it. Janavi. Janavi.
Here I am, yo, ma'am.
Janavi. Karthikeyan. I'm calling you just now.
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Good, Karthikeyan. Kavi Arini.
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Good. Naitik.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Neha.
Here I am, yo.
Good, Neha. Nitila. Nitila.
Yo.
Good. Pranita.
Here I am, yo, ma'am.
Rohita.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Satvika. Didn't join. Okay. Sailesh.
Yo.
Good. Siddharth. Siddharth.
I am yo.
Okay. Tejas.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yo-yo.
Here I am, yo.
Very good. Tarnika.
Here I am, yo.
Nishank.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Viva.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Zedi.
Yo.
Dhruv.
Here I am,
जोर से
Okay.
जोर से
Had your breakfast? Okay. Prajesh.
say loud.
Prajesh.
Here I am.
Here I am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Nukshita. No. Okay. So we are done with the attendance. So now what we're going to do is we're going to spin the wheel. Okay. Let me share this screen.
Aiden.
Aiden. Okay. Ready? Okay. What is this letter? I. What is this letter?
N.
N. Okay. What is the phonic sound for I?
E.
E. What is the phonic sound for N? No one looking at your mom. Look at me, Aiden.
മാമനെ നോക്ക് മാമനെ നോക്ക്
E in. E in. E in. Come on, everybody. E in. E in. E in. Vishak, Dhruv, what are you doing? Where are your hands? E in. E in. E in. 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 Yeah, in. So sound of I is E. Igloo. Igloo. Sound of I is E. Sound of N is nose. So E in. E in. Has somebody unmuted? In. So when we have I N together, the sound is in. What is this letter? It's okay. What is this letter? Aiden.
isn't ma'am. Letter is the R.
R. What is sound of R? Phonic sound for R. In. In. Come on, Siddharth. In.
Ring. Pram.
Think and tell me what is this letter?
Yes, പറഞ്ഞെടുക്ക്.
S. In. Sin. Okay. Can you all please give a big round of clap for Aiden? Thank you, Aiden. Okay, next. Thank you.
Pranita, ma'am.
Pranita. Shall we read Pranita?
Yeah.
Okay. Same, we are going to practice. So we have started with I today. Okay, what is sound of I, Pranita? E. Very good. What is sound of N?
In.
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 Very good. In.
P.
What is
in? In. Pin.
Very good. In. Pin.
Cake. In. Kin.
Very good.
D. In. Den.
Very good, Pranita. Please give a big round of clap for Pranita. Wonderful. A rocket clap. Very nice, Pranita. Yeah. Okay. So now it's my chance. Can you all stay on mute if anybody is planning to unmute? Okay. Sound of I is E. N is in. In. So when you have I and N together, the sound is in. When you have I and N together, the sound is in. Can you all open your mouth and say in? In. Okay. Now, sound of G is G. In. Gin. T. In. Tin. R. In. Rin. Vishal, please open your mouth. S. In. Sin. Okay. So we'll revise. Today is Wednesday. Thursday and Friday we are going to revise I words. Sorry. I words. E. Sound of I is E. Okay. Okay, we are done with that. So sound activity we are going to do only at the end, children. Okay. So if anybody hasn't read the message, today we are planning for the sound activity. You can bring anything, whatever you want. I'll just show you whatever I have got. You are going to take that only at the end. For those who have not got it, you can get it prepared. Okay. You can bring anything which makes sound. Anything. Okay, which makes sound, and you can show me at the end. Okay. So now we're going to start with the rhyme. Let me call Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Chappu.
Rohita, can you sing Chubby Cheeks? Do you know Chubby Cheeks?
Chubby Cheeks Manta. Your favorite. Okay. Say. Start. Ma'am, starting trouble, ma'am.
Okay, come on. Chubby Cheeks.
Chubby cheeks.
Dimple chin.
Dimple.
Rosy lips.
Rosy lips.
Teeth within.
Teeth within.
Curly hair.
Curly
Very fair.
very fair.
Eyes are blue.
Eyes are blue.
Lovely too.
Lovely too.
Teacher's pet.
Laila, no, Mamla.
Teacher's pet.
It's
Is that you? S. S. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Rohita. Kaviyarini. Chubby cheeks.
Chubby cheeks.
I want all of you.
Chubby cheeks. Dimple chin. Rose lilies. Teeth within. Curly hair. Very red. Eyes are blue. Lovely too. Teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, that's nice, Kaviyarini. A rocket clap. Nice with action. Very good. Yes, Sadie.
Chubby chicks.
Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, deep in it, curly hair, very fat, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet. Is that you? S, S, S.
Thank you, Sadie. Okay, Sailesh. Incy Vincy.
Incy spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy spider climb up the water again.
Very good, Sailesh. Rocket clap. Very nice. Okay, Nitila. What are you going to sing?
Incy spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried upon the rain. So Incy spider up the water spout.
Good, Nitila. Very good. Rocket clap. Good. Next time with action. Okay, even more. Good. Yes, Siddharth. Fly, fly, butterfly. And we are going to finish the rhyme. Fly, fly, butterfly. Everyone.
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden fly away. Overrun, pretty flowers, fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Okay. So first what we'll do, we'll start with the giant potato. The pictures were not visible yesterday in that file. Okay, so I'm going to show you the picture and then we're going to start the worksheet. Okay, let me first show you that. Okay, so yesterday we ended with the giant potato story. The giant potato. Okay. So what did we see in that story? The girl was planting a potato plant. Okay, she was watering the plant, and after a few days, there was a small plant coming out of the soil. Okay, she's so happy seeing that small plant, as you were also happy when you had your own plant. Then next 5 days after, when she go and saw, the potato plant grew very big. Okay, then after that she went and saw it was so bigger than that. So what did she do? See in the next picture here, she's tying a rope and she's trying to pull. She's trying to pull the potato out of the soil. The next picture, she was not able to do. So what did she do? She went and called her brother. So her brother came her for helping. So brother and the girl, Tina, her name is Tina, okay? Tina and her brother started pulling it. Pull. They are pulling the potato. No, the potato is not coming out. So then they went and called their parents, father and mother. So Tina, her brother, father, mother, everybody started pulling. Pull. They started pulling. The potato didn't come out. So very sad, Tina. So she went and called her uncle and auntie. So an uncle and auntie came. So Tina, her brother, father, mother, uncle, auntie, everybody started pulling the potato. The potato came little out, not very much, little. Okay, so little happy. Come on, we'll try. Then Tina went and got her cousins. See, there are two people new. Here only uncle and auntie. Here we have cousins. So Tina, her brother, father, mother, uncle, auntie, her cousins. Everybody started pulling. Pull the potato, pull the potato. It came little bit. Okay. After that, she got her grandparents, grandfather, grandmother. So Tina and the whole family started pulling the potato. And finally, after her grandparents came along with them and started pulling, the potato came out of the soil, flying in the air. See, the potato is so huge. It's a giant. It started coming out with a lot of force. They all were scared and they started moving. Then what her mother did, Tina's mother, she took the potato. Everybody carried the potato home and she cut it and made a nice food for everyone. So all the family members are sitting together and eating the food prepared out of the potato. And so that's our lovely family. Tina, her brother, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie, and the baby cousin. Okay? So that's the story. Did you all see the story? Did you all like it? Let me see how many of you liked it. Yes. Okay. Good children. Okay. Now quickly what we are going to do, first and foremost, we are going to start writing H today. Cursive H. Okay. We wrote G on Monday, right? So today we are going to write H. Okay. So quickly can you all take out your slates? We'll start writing. Quickly, can you all take a slate or rough note, whatever you have. H is, I don't think H is much difficult. You will write it very easily. Everybody, please grab your slate and rough note. Ready? 1, 2, 2, 3. Shall we start? Okay, so today we are going to write H. H, okay? Let me close out. So, how do you write the normal H, children? We'll write slash, standing line, one more standing line, and a sleeping line in the middle. This is the normal capital H. Correct? And how do you write small h? 1 and then a mountain curve. This is the normal capital H and small h. Correct? So today we are going to write cursive capital H and cursive small h. Okay? First one, capital H. How do you write capital H? From the first blue line, a slanting line touch the red line. From the first blue line, a slanting line touch the red line. Small slanting line. And then from there, 1, a standing line. From the first blue line, a slanting line touch the red line. And then from there, 1, a standing line. Are you all following me? Yes, good, Sailesh. And then 1 more standing line. 1 more standing line. 1 more standing line. Okay. Now we are going to write a loop. I taught you loop, right? When you wrote a loop or a small c. Small c like this. Loop. Like this. This makes capital cursive H. Ha ha horse. Ha ha horse. Yeah, I'm coming. Good, Hashini. Yes. Yes, Danvin. Yes, Vivan. Good, Vivan. Yes, Tarnika. Good. I saw Vivan. I saw Dhanven. Yes, Siddharth. Okay. The slanting line alone should touch it should come from the blue line, Siddharth. Okay. The slanting line, not very, not in the middle of the blue line. It can start from the blue line. It can start, little gap can be there, but if it touches it, you'll have a proper position there. Yes. Otherwise, it's good. Looks good, Siddharth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Devkrish. Good, Devkrish. Yes, Nitila. Good, Nitila. Very good. You wrote the small h too. Okay. I think all of you have written capital H. Very fast, children. You wrote small h too. Okay. Shall we move on to small h? Yes, small h. How do you write? Slanting line from the second blue line. Slanting line from the second blue line. Touch the red line. Slanting line from the second blue line. Touch the red line. Then our friend backward bend. Backward bend. And then one. A standing line. A standing line. And then mountain curve. And then a small curve like this. That makes small h. Let me come and see you. Yes, Dhanven, it looks, but end alone you should have a small curve, Dhanven. Here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Let me come and see from here. Yes, Zadie, I'm seeing you. Vishank, you wrote capital H, Vishank. It's blurred, dear. I can't see, but if you've written it, good. Yeah, Tejas, did you write H? H. Tejas, where is your slate, Tejas? Slate or rough note? Please grab your slate or rough note. Dikshan, did you write H, dear? I can see your capital H. Yes, yes. Yeah, Zadie. Good. Yes, Devkrish. Good, Devkrish. I saw that, Zadie. While you were writing. Just at the small H, no? At the end, you will have a little curve. At the end, you will have a little curve. Who's that? I'll come. Who's that? Please don't scream. Yes, I'm coming line by line. I'm coming. Yeah, Janavi. Yes, Janavi. Janavi. Small H alone can we write together, Janavi? Can we write together? Come on. I'll come to each one of you. I'm with Janavi now. I'll come to you, Pranita. Rohita, I'll come back to you. Okay? Pranita, Janavi slanting line. First slanting line. From the blue line to the red line. Good, Kavyani. It looks good. Janavi, did you write this? Slanting line from blue line to red line? Okay, backward bend. Backward bend. Yes, and then a straight line. Or a straight standing line. Standing line.
Okay, ma'am.
Then mountain should touch the blue line like this. Mountain should touch the blue line.
Okay, ma'am.
And then a small curve, Janavi. And then a small curve. Yeah, very good. And the small curve here. Small curve.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Just make sure you are writing within the blue line, Janavi. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Blue line. Okay. Yes, Pranita, I am coming to see you, Pranita. Show me. You're welcome. Yes, Pranita. Good, Pranita. It is within the blue line. Good. Good, Pranita. Practice one more time. Yes, Aiden. Aiden, can I see yours? H. Perfect. Small H. Capital H. Very good, Aiden. Yes. Hashini. H. You rubbed it? Okay. Devkrish, I saw. Tarnika. Yes, Tarnika. It looks good. Rohita. Let me see yours now, Rohita. Yeah, Rohita. At the end, a small curve, Rohita. See? Slanting line, backward bend, one, and then a mountain and a small curve here. Okay? Good, Rohita. Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see your H? Good, Zedi. I saw yours, Zedi. It looks perfect. Good, Karthikeyan. Can you practice one more time, Karthikeyan? One more time, right? One more time. Yes, Dhruv, can I see your H? Invert it, like this. Show me. Dhruv, invert it. Ah, yeah. Nice. Good, good, Dhruv. Yes, Neha, my dear. Wow, Neha. Is H easy, Neha? Yes. Naitik. Then I saw Kavyayani. Yeah, Naitik, show me. Kavyayani, nice Kavyayani. I saw your slate. Naitik, start writing the worksheet. Okay. Naitik, I forgot to send that PD worksheet. I'll send it today to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sailesh, it looks very good. Okay, children. Have you all written until... Have I seen everybody? Vivan, I didn't see you. Good, Vivan. Vishan, Zedi, I saw yours, Zedi, already. Yes, Vishan.
Vishan, ma'am is asking you.
Can I see your H? Ah, I can see now. It looks good. Okay. Can you all keep your slates? We are going to revise the words with H. Please keep your slates down. Very good, children. H, now these days, first A and B were struggling. C, D, E, F, G, H. I'm seeing you are writing very nicely. Good. Can you all keep your slate and chalk piece down? Quickly, we are going to revise H words. Can you see what I'm showing? Let me call somebody to read. Yeah. Diction. Diction, what is this letter, Diction?
Yes.
Very good. What is the first picture?
House.
House. What is the phonic sound for H, Diction?
Her.
Very good.
Oh,
House. Very good. Prajesh. Are you there, Prajesh? I think I didn't see you. Prajesh? No. Okay. Devkrish. Hat. Hat. Where do you wear the hat? Devkrish, where do you wear the hat? Open your mouth and say. Hands, legs. What is this? Head. Yes, you wear the hat on the head. You're scared? Don't be afraid. Okay. Oh, okay. Aiden, what is the next one?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
Ma'am, green.
Green helicopter. Yes. Good.
Green color.
Hashini. Yes, green color. Correct. Hashini. Hammer.
House.
Very, very good. Hammer. Good. Next, Janavi.
Hand.
Hands. Very good. Hands. Okay. Karthikeyan.
H-A-N-D.
Okay. Hands. Good. Karthikeyan. Horse. Yes. Horse. Kaviyarini.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Heart.
Heart. Okay.
H.
H. Very good. Okay. So next, what we are going to do is, we are not going to take the worksheet now. Please all keep your worksheets down. We are going to revise what we learned yesterday and day before yesterday. Okay. Yesterday we saw about family, and day before yesterday we saw about internal organs. Remember internal organs? Let me call somebody. Okay. Next one is Naitik. Please everybody, don't raise your hands. I'm coming in the order. You get a chance for other rest of the activity. Okay? Yes, thank you. Yes, Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember internal organs, Naitik? Now you present on the day when we revise.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, can you tell me one internal organ?
Heart.
What is this? Lungs. Kidney. Liver. Okay. So Naitik, I'm going to show you the picture. You want to tell me what it is.
Okay.
Give me a minute. Somebody is unmuted. Yes, Naitik. First one. What is the first one? Heart. Can you find out the spelling for heart here? H. Let me zoom it. Yeah, last one. H-E-A-R-T. Try opening it. It's very small. It's much better now. Okay. Yes, Naitik, that's heart. Neha. What is this, Neha?
Brain.
No, don't. Yes, brain is correct. Don't get help from anyone. Okay. Yes, that's brain. Correct. So, can you find out the spelling for brain? Brain.
சொல்லு B எங்க
B.
second
Yes. B. Second one. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Okay. First one was heart, right? So let us draw heart. Line from here to here. Okay, next one, Nitila. What is this? Kidney. How many kidneys do we have, Nitila? I told you now. How many kidneys do we have? 1 or 2?
2.
We have 2 kidneys. Okay. Yes. So this is kidney. We have 2 kidneys, right? Okay. Next, Rakshita is absent. Pradesh is done. Pranita.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hot water.
Janvi, wait a minute. I'll come to you. Okay. Yes, Pranita. What is this?
Liver.
Very good. Liver. Can you read spelling for liver? L
L
I
I
P
V
E
E
R.
R.
Liver.
மிக அங்க படிக்கும்போது அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க வாயை திறந்து சொல்லு, அப்பதான் உனக்கு படிப்பு வரும். நீ வந்து இந்த
Pranita.
மாதிரி விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காத. மிஸ் என்ன சொல்றாங்க
Rohita. Neha, can you stay on mute? Rohita, what are these? Rohita, next one. What are these?
What is this?
It's not heart. It's lungs.
Huh?
Lungs.
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 Lungs. Lungs. Lungs.
Lungs. Lungs. Lungs. Yes. LUNGS. Lungs.
L
L
U
U
N
N
G
G.
N G S. Lungs. Okay. The last one, stomach. Stomach. Okay. I'm going to join it. Stomach. 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 Okay. Next, let me call the next one. Satvika. Satvika is absent. It's Sailesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see what I'm showing, Sailesh?
Internal organ.
What are those?
Brain, heart, liver.
Okay. You tell me. I'll ask you the organ. You tell me. I'll write the spelling. Okay. What is the first one, Sailesh? This one, brown color. What is that?
Brain.
Louder.
Brain.
Brain. What is starting letter for brain?
BRAIN. Brain.
Very good. BRAIN. Brain. Starts with brain. B. Okay, Siddharth.
What is that, sir?
What is this, Siddharth? Next one. Here, this one.
Lungs.
Lungs. What is the starting letter for lungs? Lungs.
L. Ma'am.
Very good. Okay. L U
U.
N G S. Can you read the spelling, Siddharth? L.
L.
L. U. N. G. S. Lungs.
Very good, Siddharth. Okay. Let me drag and keep it here. Lungs. Okay. Next we have Tejas. What is this? This one, pink and blue. What is that? Pink and blue color. What is that?
Heart.
Very good. What is starting letter for heart?
Spelling.
Heart. Ah. E
H. E.
A R
I.
R T. Heart. Very good, Tejas. Wonderful. Good. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
What are these? We have two. What are that? Kidney or liver?
Kidneys.
Kidney. Very good. Kidneys. We have two kidneys. K.
K. I. E. N. E. Y. S.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Tarnika. Vishal.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the last one?
Lungs, ma'am.
No. Lungs is like this. You will have like two bridges like that. That is lungs. This is the largest organ. I told you, it will get all the good things from your body and send it through whole body. It will clean your blood. What is that? Largest internal organ.
Liver.
Yeah, liver. Liver. Can you read the spelling for liver?
L. I. V. E.
Very good. So, which is the largest internal organ, Vishank? Liver.
Liver.
Yeah, liver will grow every day. Okay. So, which will clean your blood? Liver. Which will make your blood healthy and clean? Liver. Okay. So,
Yes.
liver is the largest internal organ. It will grow every day and it will clean your blood and make your blood very clean. Okay. Yes. Next, Vivan. Please read the spelling for brain, Vivan.
R
Mm.
A I N. Brain.
Very good. Can you read the spelling for lungs? Lungs.
L U N G S. Lungs.
Lungs. Good. Next, Zedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the spelling for kidneys. Kidneys. Kidney.
K I D N E Y S. Kidney.
Kidneys. Okay. Dhruv, can you read the spelling for heart?
I
No. H-E.
H E A R T. Kidney.
Heart.
Heart.
Heart. Prajesh, are you here, Prajesh? Did you join back? No. Okay. Aiden. Liver.
எல்லாம் அது
Hello.
L.
ஓகேவா
This
அது மட்டும் പറയാ വന്നിട്ട് കുത്തുന്നേ
I.
ആ പിന്നെ
I.
ബി
V. V.
ആ
R.
E.
ഈ പറ
Liver.
ഇത് പറ ലിവറിൽ പറഞ്ഞു
Liver. Okay. Thank you, Aiden. So, one time to recall again, lungs will help us to breathe. Lungs will help us to breathe. Brain helps us to think. Brain is where? In your head, inside your head. Okay. Heart will pump the blood to our body. Kidneys will take all the bad things out of our body. Liver cleans our blood and is the largest internal organ. So all these are internal organs in our body which are inside our body and we cannot see. External organs are eyes, nose, hands, head. All these are external organs. Okay. So now quickly what we'll do. We are going to play a small number game and then we'll do the sound activity. Okay. So what I want to do is I want all of you to take your rough note and a pencil. I want all of you to take your rough note and pencil. Can you please take out? So going forth, children, I think till this Friday and next Monday we might have this culmination week. So I want all of you to get ready with your rough note and pencil. We might not use the worksheet daily. Okay, so please be ready with your rough note and a pencil. Aiden, can you take your hands out of ears? Am I screaming? So what I want you to do is, I want you to write any number name, whichever you like. Okay, any 5 number names. I want you to write any 5 number names. I'm also going to write in the rough note. You're going to write any 5 number names which you know and let's see. Okay, how many of you we are thinking alike? Okay, let me take mine. We're going to play a small game with that. Have you all taken your rough note? Okay, I'm going to write. Ready? Everybody got your rough note? You're going to write any 5 number names, whichever you know. Okay?
நீங்க first ஓதானே
Good, very good. Janavi, very quick. I haven't finished it. I'm very slow. Okay.
finished.
Okay, good. Don't shoot. Very good, Kavyani. Danvin, keep it down. Good. Prajesh has joined. Prajesh, you have started playing a game, number game. I want to take a rough note and write any 5 number names you like. Okay. Okay, I have also finished. Come on quickly. I'm going to give you. So most of them are finishing fast, so please finish it fast. Others too. I'm going to give you 10 counts, no 20 counts. Yes, I see Tarnika, Siddharth, Hashini, Danvin. Don't show. Keep it down. Janavi, pencil not into your mouth. Okay, that's very dirty. Children, those who are finished, if you want to write, you can write more numbers too. If you know more number names, you can write. Those who are finished, you need not sit idle. You can write as many numbers. I'm also going to write. Let others finish. We'll write more number names. Come on. Fast, Janavi, Tarnika, come on, write more number names. I'm going to count 10. I want all of it to finish before that. Okay, 1, 2. Write whatever number name you know. Let's see how far we know. 2. Kaven, if you have written, write even more number names. Write whatever you know. 3, 4. Think and write. Think what all number names you know. Think and write. 5, 6. Please write only whatever you know. Please don't get help from your parents. If it's a spelling mistake, if you don't know anything, no problem. Write the numbers. If you don't know number names, write the numbers alone, children. That's fine. But I don't want you to get help from anyone. You have to think. Okay, Pranita. Good. Don't get help from anyone, children. Okay, write whatever number names you know. If you don't know any number name, write the numbers. No problem. But don't ask anything. You think and write whatever number names you like. Yes, Danvin, keep it down. Yes. So much you've written. Okay, good Pranita, good Danvin, good Siddharth, Hashini, Tarnika, Kavyani has done, Danvin has done, Vivan has done, Devrish has done. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, and 10. Okay. Stop writing, children. Whatever you have written so far, enough. Stop writing. Can you all stop writing, please? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to call out a number name. Yeah, good. Then everybody keep their books down. Whatever you have written, keep it down. Keep it down. So I'm going to call out a number name. If you have written that number name, you're going to put a tick mark. Okay, check the spelling. If you have not written, then you're going to tell me what number name you have written. First, that's like a housey game. Okay, I'm going to call out the number. Check if you have written that number name in your rough note. Okay. 1. How many of you have written ONE1? I have written 1. I know many of you will write that. Yes. Very good, Naitik, Vivan, Tarnika, Sailesh, Kavyani, Siddharth, Nitila, many, Zedi. Okay, good. Have you all written ONE1? If you have written 1 correctly, put a tick mark. You get a star from your mom or dad later. Okay, very good. ONE1. Yes, Pranita, good. If you have written it correctly, put a tick mark and get a star. If you have written it but it's wrong, no problem, put a tick mark, no star. Okay? If you have written it correctly, then star. ONE1. Next. 10. 10. How many of you have written 10? TEN 10. Yes, many of you. Yes, Ashni. Okay. Good, very good. Yes, put your hands down. TEN. Please check. TEN. If you have written 10, please put a tick mark. So 1 is done. So I'm going to strike out. I wrote 1 and then 10. Okay. Next. How many of you wrote 100? How many of you wrote 100? HUNDRED 100. Yes, I can see silence. Anybody? Anybody wrote 100? If anybody has written 100, raise your hand. I see many of them raising. 3 people. Sailesh I saw. What about Danvin? You wrote 100, Danvin? No, ma'am. Okay, only 1. Sailesh has written 100. Very good. Sailesh, what is the spelling of 100 you have written there?
HUNDRED.
Perfect. The rocket clap. Very good. Good. Very good. That's the bigger spelling. Good. Okay. Next, I have also written 100. Has anybody written 40? Has anybody written 40? Has anybody 40? No, nobody. Okay, FORTY 40. I have written 40, so I'm going to cross it out.
Ma'am, 41.
Rohita, you wrote 40?
41.
You wrote 41. Very good. Rocket clap for Rohita. What is that you have written there? Tell me, read out the spelling. Rohita, read out the spelling. What have you written? Read. What have you written there? F.
Ma'am, she not spelling, ma'am. She write a number 41.
You wrote 41. Okay. You wrote number. Okay. Has anybody written 5? Has anybody written 5?
Write the 5. You wrote.
Many. Very good. Very good. Yes, Prajesh.
FIVE.
Yeah, FIVE5. Very good. Please put a tick mark. FIVE5. Good. Very good. Many of you. Good. Very good, children. Okay. Next. Has anybody written 4? 4. FOUR4. Many. Okay. I think many of you like this.
FOUR4.
Yes, yes. FO. Good, Janavi. FOUR4. Many. Okay. Okay. Has anybody written 20? 20 or 21, 22, something like that? Has anybody written 20? No, Prajesh, okay. Has anybody written 20? Yes. Wow, Danvin and Sailesh. Anybody else? 21. Siddharth has written.
TWENTY.
Yes, good, Danvin. Siddharth, you wrote 20. See anything?
No,
Kavyani?
ma'am.
Okay, Kavyani, what did you write?
21.
Wow, I also wrote 21. Give a high five. Give a high five. Nice. Kavyani, read out the spelling for 21. I also wrote 21. Tell me the spelling for 21.
TWENTY.
21.
ONE1.
Wow, Kavyani, we both said yes, 21. I wrote 21. Yes, Sailesh, what did you write?
20.
20 and
என்ன நம்பர்
20.
You wrote 20. Good, very good. Rocket clap for Janavi. I'm sorry, Kavya, Aini, Tanveen and Sailesh. Good. Okay, has anybody written 35? Has anybody wrote 35? 35. No, I wrote 35. THIRTYFIVE. I wrote 35. Okay, I wrote 30. Who wrote 30? Danvin. Good, Danvin. Rocket clap. Okay. Has anybody written 6? Has anybody wrote 6? 6? Yeah, many of you. Good. Yes, Neha. Very good. Neha, you wrote 6. Very good. Rocket clap for all of you. Yes, SIX 6. Very good. Vivan wrote 6. Okay. Sadie wrote 6. Okay. Has anybody written 60, 60, 61, 62, something like that? 60, 61, 62? Hashini wrote, what did you write, Hashini? SIXTY. Good, rocket clap. Has anybody wrote 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67? Okay, I wrote 62. SIXTYTWO. 62 I wrote. Okay. Has anybody written numbers other than outs greater than 10, 20, 30, 40, whichever we have not read? Yes, Sailesh, what did you write?
90.
90. That's a bigger number. Can you read out the spelling for 90? What you wrote?
NINETY.
Wow, very good. Walk clap for Sailesh. Very good. Danvin, what did you write? I'm coming to Pavlika.
11.
Wow, 11. Nice. ELEVEN 11. Good. Hashini, what did you write?
17.
17. Bigger one. Can you read out what did you write in 17?
SEVENTY. 70.
70. Okay, you wrote 70. Good. Okay. Yes, Tarnika, what did you write?
11.
11. You too, 11.
11.
Okay, good. Sadie, what did you write?
7.
7. Okay. Can you read the number name for 7?
SEVEN. 7.
Good. Very good. Yes, Vivan.
I write 4.
Wow, you wrote so many. Let me see. What is the first one? Show me.
I write 4.
Okay, then. Wrote 4. That is F. Okay, just decided. Okay. Good, Vishwa. Good, Vishwa. Yes, Vishwa. Yes, Sailesh.
100.
I'll come to you, Sailesh, okay? I'll come to you, Neha. Give me a minute, okay? I'm coming in the order. Vivan, what did you write? Vivan. Oh, sorry, Vishank. I'm really sorry. Vishank.
Isha, ma'am is asking you. What did you do? Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, te காட்டுங்க. சரி, வெயிட் பண்ண முடியும். சரி, அது எழுதலாம்.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll come back to you. Rajesh. Rajesh, what is the bigger number you wrote? Bigger spelling.
3.
3. What is the spelling for 3?
THREE. 3.
Good. Okay, good. Nitila.
TV 7.
Good. 7. Okay, Sailesh, you wrote 50.
15.
15. That's a tricky spelling. Can you read out what did you write for 15?
There's a spelling of 15.
Read.
ISTEEN.
Very good. Wonderful, Sailesh. Yes, Siddharth. What is the biggest spelling name you have written? Spelling.
8.
8. 18.
80, ma'am. Read it.
80. Read out the spelling.
EIGTHTY.
Very good. That's a nice bigger number. Very good, Siddharth. Yes, Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the bigger number name you wrote? Spelling.
2.
2. Okay. 12, ma'am. 12. Read out the spelling.
TWELVE.
That's a difficult spelling. Very good. Yes, I saw Pranita, right? Pranita?
19.
Read out the spelling. Very good. 90. Good. Aiden? You wrote number or number name? Any one number name? What do you have written? I'll come back to you. Yes, Devkrish. Hasni, I saw yours already. Hasni. Devkrish. Any bigger number name? 7. Okay. Can you read the number name for 7? Good. Dhruv? Dhruv? What is the number name written?
21.
No, read and show me. You read. You wrote 60. That's nice. Good, Neha.
Read.
Good, Dhruv.
Read and tell. Read. 60.
60. Read the spelling for 60.
Read spelling for 60. 60 को पढ़ के बताओ. क्या लिखा है उसको पढ़ के बताओ. पढ़ो.
S. I'll read it for you. SIXTY. 60. Okay. Yes, Neha. Thank you, Dhruv. You wanted to show me something, no? Tell me, Neha.
OLETEN.
Good. Naitik. What is the number name you got? Tell me.
21.
Anyone. Okay. Okay. Very good. That's nice. We'll play this game again when we have time some other day. Okay. So can you all take out your sound activity quickly? We'll do the sound. First, let me start. Yes, Kavyani, I already saw all your numbers. Then when Kavyani, Tarnika, and Hashni, while reading Rohita, I saw. That's why I didn't ask you. Okay. So now, before we start, I have got few things to show you. Okay, we'll do again sound activity tomorrow because we don't have time today. Again, we'll do it tomorrow. But today, let's quickly do whatever we have. I've got this wood. If you can hear the sound, it's loud enough. It's very loud, no? Loud, okay? Loud. Loud. Soft sound, and the other ones I showed were loud sounds. Okay, so can you hear? Very soft. Whereas this one, louder, loud. Okay. Well, if I do it slowly, it will be soft. If I do it very fast, it will be very loud. Okay. Okay. So quickly, can you all show me, and then we finish the class? Okay, just one. Okay, I'm going to start from Kavyani. Yes, Kavyani. Okay, she's not there. Yes, Neha, you're going to show me. Loud or soft? Neha, loud or soft? Loud. Loud. Yes. Good, Neha. Thank you. Danvin. Mute. Mute.
Loud.
Yes, it's loud enough. Yes. Yeah, it's loud enough. What about Kavyani? Have you come back? No. Okay. Naitik. Naitik, we're absent yesterday. No. Okay. Okay. Dhruv.
It's unmuted.
I'm coming by order. Please wait. Ah, it's nice. Loud or soft? Loud or soft?
Loud.
It's loud enough for me. Okay. Nice. Nice. Thank you, Dhruv. Rohita. You're on mute.
Okay. You understand?
Drum. Yeah, it's loud enough.
This one? You tried this one? No.
Yeah, if you do with steel, it'd be even more louder. Get the spoon from your mom, Rohita. It's your activity. Yes, nice, Rohita. Good. Yeah, dum. Okay. Again, we'll do it tomorrow. Sorry, children, we are running out of time. Yes, Tarnika.
Hang on, Mama. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's pretty loud enough. Yes. Good. Dev Krish. Louder. Yes, louder. Hashini. Oh, that's louder. Yes. Aiden. Aiden.
Louder. Louder.
Ah, it's louder. Pranita.
Louder.
Yes, louder. Janavi. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Little soft compared to steel, no? See, loud compared that. Yeah, when you hit it with plastic, when you hit it on a plastic, it will little soft compared to steel. Yes, nice. Yeah, that's pretty loud. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Siddharth. Those who have shown me, you can leave. Thank you so much. Yes, Siddharth. That's nice, pleasant sound. Pleasant sound. Yes, thank you. Yes, Kavyani, you're back. You want to show me? Good, Siddharth. That's your brothers. Ah, it's loud. Even I have that. Yeah. Good, Kavyani. Next. Soft. Little soft. Yes. Good. You can leave. Thank you. Sailesh. Okay. That's loud, dear. Yeah. Okay. You have a drum. Wow. Okay. Exhausted. Okay. Yes, Prajesh.
Rajesh. Louder.
Yeah, I hear a cling sound with the beat. Nice, Prajesh, with the music. Yes, Vishan. Good, Prajesh. Vishan. Okay, you wrote number names. You're showing me. Okay. Nice, very nice. Good. You wrote crore. My God, you wrote crore. Okay. Okay, Vishan. Can you make the sound and show me? Thank you, Sailesh. Bye, Sailesh.
Sound करेगा.
Yeah, got it. Vivan, you've got xylophone. Come on, dear. Soft. Okay. That's so, yeah, that's loud enough. Yes. Good. Thank you, Vivan. Zedi?
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, Neha. Yeah, Zedi.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Vishak. Good, Zedi. Nice. You got the dumru. Okay, nice. Nice. Thank you. If you shake it very fast, give a loud sound. Give it little soft. Thank you. Yes, Vivan, you want to ask something?
Yeah, ma'am, I have a doubt. I will wait you finish off.
Okay. Yeah, I think I am done with everyone. Zedi, thank you so much, Zedi. Pranita, thank you. You want to show me, Pranita?
Yeah, ma'am.
Show me. Okay, show me the number names. Thank you, Zedi. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Good, Pranita. You wrote the number names. Very good. Nice. I can see 19. Very good. Get a star from your mom later, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye, Pranita.
Bye.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. On Friday you told about dictation இல்லையா மேம் அதுல 4 letter wordsum இருக்கு அதையும் படி வைக்கணுமா மேம்
வேண்டாம் ஆக்சுவலா நான் அந்த பேஜ் நம்பர் சொன்னேன்ல அதுல வந்து அந்த பாக்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் அதுல வந்து கேட் அந்த மாதிரி சிவிசி வேர்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான்
ஓகே மேம்
இருக்கா அதுல இல்லையே ஆக்சுவலா அந்த பேஜஸ் அதான் போட்டு
அது
ஒரே நிமிஷம்
4 letter படிக்கிறாங்க இந்த டெயில் ரெயின் இதெல்லாம் படிக்கிறாங்க ஆனா இந்த சாஸ் லாஃப் எல்லாம் அது சவுண்ட் மேட்ச் ஆல அதுக்கு தான் கேட்டிருந்தேன்
இல்ல ஆக்சுவலா நான் அதான் பேஜ் நம்பர் 1 அப்புறம் 3 5 அது மட்டும் தான் சொல்லிருந்தேன் ஏஐ வேர்ட்ஸ் நான் சொல்லவே இல்ல அதனாலதான்
ஓகே மேம் ஓகே
அந்த யா பிகாஸ் we didn't teach all those அதெல்லாம் வந்து vowel bends இனிமே தான் வரும் சோ இப்ப vowel consonant blend மட்டும் தான் சிவிசி வேர்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் சோ 1 3 5 படிச்சா போறோம்
ஓகே மேம் थैंक यू
யா ஓகே
and one more thing ma'am அவனுக்கு அந்த left and right confuse ஆகுது actually every day அந்த prayer பண்ணும்போது anthem சொல்லும்போது you keep the right hand they are getting that mirror image
oh you're getting the mirror image